Today I will share with you some foods that will help your immune system to run smoothly. When winter season arrives, you should incorporate these foods into your daily diet because it's very common to catch the cold in winter season. Feeding your body with certain foods help to keep your immune system strong. My number one recommendation is citrus fruits. Most people turn straight to vitamin C supplementation when they caught a cold. That's because vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. And most citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. That's why it's very easy to add a squeeze of vitamin C to any meal. Eat more yogurt. Yogurt is a perfect snack and is full of important nutrients. And it tastes delicious, especially with some fresh fruit. There is an evidence that good bacteria in yogurt help you to stimulate your immune system. Just make sure you are eating homemade curd, or if you are buy a plain yogurt, and also make sure to read the label that it contains live and active cultures in the ingredient. It is also a great idea to purchase a yogurt that is fortified with vitamin D. Next is poultry. When you are sick and you go for a chicken soup, there is actually a scientific reason that why it makes you feel better. Soup may help ease the congestion, which temporarily improve the symptoms of cold. Also, it is an excellent source of protein, fluids and electrolytes, which are necessary for recovery and hydration purpose. Next up, almonds. When it comes to preventing or fighting off colds, most people think of vitamin C. But vitamin E also play a very important role and is also a very powerful antioxidant. Nuts such as almonds are a great source of vitamin E, and on average adults need around 15 milligrams of the vitamin E, and that you can easily get from half cup of the almonds, which provides you 100% of the recommended amount. Drink green tea. Both green tea and black tea are a great source of flavonoid, which is a type of antioxidant, whereas green tea excels in its level of apigallocatechin 3 chelate, which supports your immune system. If that is not an inspiration to brew a cup of the green tea, then green tea is also a great source of L-threonate, which is an amino acid that helps to support your immune system. I hope that these foods will give you an idea of what to eat next time when you are feeling under the weather. So I will see you next time for another nutritional video.